Hello everyone, this is Otsumami channel from Japan. In this channel, I introduce you Japanese otsumami. Do you know what otsumami is? Originally, tsumamu means to pick up in Japanese. Otsumami is Japanese finger food which you can pick up and eat while you're drinking alcohol at home. I'm sure you're very lucky today, because after you watching this channel, you are going to take one small step to be the otsumami master. Okay, so let's get it started.
Today, I'd like to introduce this canning series. Basically, these are canned foods. There are a variety of canned otsumami. Today, I'm going to try one of these. Okay, so let's try this one today. Soy sauce marinated baby squids. In Japanese, this is called okizuke squids. Oki means open sea. Zuke means to marinate. This was originally invented by Japanese fishermen. Long time ago, Japanese fishermen brought soy sauce in a jar when they go fishing. And right after catching squids in the open sea, they throw them into the soy sauce jar on a boat. When squids drink soy sauce, it becomes delicious from inside and tastes good. It might look a bit gross, but let's try it. Itadakimasu. Actually, it's good. They put a bit of red pepper as well, so it's a bit spicy and tasty. So, as always, let's move on to drinking part. Today's drink is premium malts, Japanese beer. Okay, so let's drink. Kanpai! That tastes good. These days, I'm staying at home for all day, so drinking alcohol and eating otsumami is becoming my reason for living. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. In this channel, I introduce Japanese otsumami to make you otsumami master. So, see you next time. Sayonara!